give these two copies. Courtmaster can give these two copies. These two below which I just gave.
We don't have, you can tell it.
You can find it later on.
So kindly turn to page 104. All confusions would be
I
removed.
must say at the outset that this
This breach of
18th order
individual.
is under challenge in another SLP before another bench.
Let us read this. This batch of individual appeals at page
number,
104. 104. Let the facts be clear. They are not allowing the facts to be placed properly. Page 104. This batch of individual appeals arise out of a clutch of individual writ petitions which are connected to the appointments of assistant teachers for class 9 and 10 and non-teaching staff for Group C and D post as notified by the State School Service Commission. The appellant before the court are members of a committee, including its approving authority and the advisor, who have organized the appointments by way of recommendations issued by the SSC following the regional level test 2016, which the writ petitioner alleged to be illegal. The appellants also include candidates who have procured the alleged illegal appointment in 3 categories of post. Now kindly turn to the court appointed a committee headed by retired judge. Now the court records the finding at paragraph 10. Paragraph 10. This court,
The page number.
page 132. This court, vide its order dated 13th of April 2022, was also pleased to notice the report of the committee headed by a retired honorable judge of this court, for short referred as the BAC committee. The report was submitted in connection with Group D appointments, later for the teachers also. One out of the 3 categories of appointments which are being challenged as illegal in writ petitions. Considering that the proceeding before the Honorable Single Bench was stayed for a period of 5 weeks as well as investigation by CBI, the BAC committee was requested to complete its inquiry into Group C appointments, in which the interagnum and submit its report within 4 weeks. Then, the backdrop of inquiry, I am not wasting court's time. Honorable court will go through it and find what are the backdrop of the inquiry. Then kindly come to page 139. Illegalities does not depend on the disclosure of OMR seats, the finding of the committee headed by a judge. In view of the illegal procedure, page 139, adopted by the Central Commission, the regional commissions and the board,
And BAC committee. Can we see in respect of which this BAC committee?
609 unsuccessful candidates got false recommendation letters
Third experiment. Yes.
from the office of the Central Commission, which were prepared by using fictitious memo number of the regional commission and by affixing scanned signatures of the chairpersons of the regional commission by keeping them in dark after the expiry of the panel on May 4 to 19. The same 609 unsuccessful candidates who
These
obtained
are people who are appointed after expiry of panel.
Please,
But
please.
not giving the facts correctly.
Please allow me to place the order. Allow me to place the order. This habit of interference.
We must just 1 minute.
I am reading court's order.
Assist the court properly.
Yes.
Let me assist in my own way.
Has nothing to do with my comments.
Present procedure.
It is people who were appointed after the expiry of the panel.
Let me place the facts. Why does it stand up on his feet?
SLPs, their cases are.
We are not there.
No, this is not.
Yes, they are there. All there.
This batch.
All there.
They are not there.
My lord will kindly go through the order. All these illegal appointees are there. Kindly go through the order. They will not allow you to read the order.
Mr. Bhattacharya,
Which is understood.
1 minute. Are they subject to any other SLP?
Yes.
To my knowledge, no.
Yes.
To my knowledge, no. But the findings of the BAC committee is not under challenge.
I can promise.
Lord, I'm sorry.
Findings
this
of
is
the
very
BAC committee is not under
I have very
challenge.
severe objection to this kind of thing.
Enchanting.
This is a very objectionable. I have very serious objection to this.
Please do not interrupt me. Your objections will come later.
The general order.
Yes, Lord.
Yes. Yes, Manoj. I am sorry. This is
No OMR issue.
But this is not the appointments not related to AMR only. A committee headed by retired judge found.
Let the High Court examine everything.
but
Now, brother, I am getting helpless. Finding the council stand up and interrupt.
Yes.
will set aside all termination orders,
Yes.
will not permit any further termination to be done till the High Court decides the main issue.
Absolutely.
No further termination. I have no difficulty.
My lord is absolutely right. That's the only way. Within 3 weeks.
No further termination. That will not.
Any opinion on any of
Grateful.
these issues?
Yes, absolutely great.
By these,
That's the only right way to go about the things.
the illegal appointees cannot continue even for a
My
moment.
friend,
Who
just
says we are illegal?
Why would the why would the apex court give me not sanction to illegal appointments?
Sorry.
No, you are arguing as if you have all the rights.
yes.
No, yes, that saying so.
No.
My lord, the persons who have been, my lord, kindly excuse me.
Successful.
The persons who,
Absolutely.
may I,
We
would
did.
you all not allow me to make my submission? If not, well, I will keep quiet. My lord, if
But
The
since
act.
it terminated just like.
But this is a common order, my lord. This is a
Will the
common
bar
order of the
committee-
5
matter.
years of service, confirmation done.
No.
my lord, kindly, my lord, allow me. The BAP
We
com,
are right now on OMR.
Yes.
We are right now on OMR matters.
no, my lord, these are all encompassing. All the illegal appointments which are made.
That's what I
The
was
lordship will confine that. So far the OMRs are concerned, the order will be in operation. I don't mind.
Oh, he can't
Yes.
say you do this, I don't mind.
Therefore, my lord may say,
1 minute.
If he doesn't mind, it can happen.
1 minute. How many are non-OMR?
all matters in this batch are OMR related.
Yes, absolutely.
no.
Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct.
Group C, Group D, 9, 10, 11, 12. BAC committee issue, though arose and on 12th of April, Lordship had, that time there was no challenge to that 18.5 order.
In that event, we can segregate the OMR matters.
BAC committee, 18 order is for another. All OMR matters.
And
Father-
also, please make an
And Gujarat
observation.
Bhanj itself, that jaga I
I'm
make
trying
a
to be confused here.
Let us say.
My lord will be pleased to note.
No, 1 minute.
Yes, one by one. In the list, I have segregated it. It will become very clear.
Let us go.
Now, let us come to my lord, the affidavit of School Service Commission. How could the School Service Commission take a different stand?
Mr. Bhattacharya,
As far as
we'll go serially. Find
Yes,
out.
kindly go serially. Kindly go serially. Yes.
Lordship may kindly see that.
The whole problem is that just get the cost.
I am in 101, led by Mr. Bukul Togimalat. This 101 is in respect of that group D staff out of the selection
C,
process of
group C.
group D 101. 101 machine charge.
Which are the
BAC committee.
groups one, A, B, C, D.
101.
rank manipulation.
Your Lordship, I am for 1.0.2. Mr. Bali is
number
here.
को proper हमने देखा.
I mean 101.2, my lord, Group D employees.
Let us then proceed with Group D employee first.
Does anybody have any objection against this chart?
This has been
No.
given to everybody.
I don't have a copy, but if the
This we understand, but not prepared by the commission, the state commission.
Yes. So, Mr. Rahim, do you have any?
I just received it. My
Yeah,
girlfriend had
I had updated it from the last one and I have given that updated one because 3 matters have been added.
Now, my lord, School Service Commission takes a different colorable stand. My lord,
First I have made Group C.
We are hearing you, Mr. Bhattacharya. Let us set the house to order.
yes, kindly do it.
Lordship may kindly take up that list. I have summarized the thing. I'm starting with Group C. The worker matter. Group C.
it is Group C, it is dealing with OMR.
101.7.
This is one.
अरे आधा कुछ तो.
Yes. This challenge is the order of 10th of March 23 relates to termination of 785. There was mismatch of data. It's a OMR issue.
No.
No.
Why no?
Anonymous আছে.
I can show
Anonymous
you
কোনটা?
the finding.
My lord, this is, I am appearing, my lord, it's an OMR. We have been,
And Lordship would see the second matter is Arup Ratan Shaw, which is 101.8.
কোনটা anonymous বলো আমাকে.
This is also Group C.
No, group D or Proton Shaw.
Arup Ratan Shaw is also Abu Bakr.
Same OMR.
These are all 2014 vacancies, 2016 recruitment.
2016
Selection process
selection process.
17.
So Lordship, we are regular employee, we are working from last 5 years.
Primary.
That is for primary.
Primary.
So these are
These are all 16.
2016 selection process, appointment starts in Group DC 2017 for assistant teacher.
That column
করতে
can be
পারছো না
updated.
তোমরা।
Mr. Chatterjee can
Group
update
C,
that
group-
further.
I mean, Abu Bakr Siddiq is in same implement.
সেটাই বলতে হবে তো।
Might be different.
আমরা পারবো তো।
If the challenge is to Abu Bakr Siddiq, then Lordship, next page, Group D, answer sheet,
বাক কমিটি বলতে দাও।
order of 16th February.
No, no.
Yes, division.
Division bench 16.
There are two challenges. 16th February division bench and 10th February single judge.
এখানে কি আমাদের ফেভারে
These
কিছু
are
আছে?
all OMR.
Na kichu favor.
OMR issue. This entire group is entirely OMR. 9, 10,
no 1 minute. Arun Praton show is
OMR.
also this.
সেটা জানি আমি, তাতে
Yes.
My lord,
Year
16
is
March, 16 March review order, 10th March is the single bench order.
16th February.
ক্রিকেট করতে পারবে না। আমরা দেখাতে পারবো না।
Appointment in 2017 February 1.
চাকরি গেছে, তার মধ্যে কেউ আছে আফটার এক্সপায়ারি, কেউ আছে ওএমআর। ওরা কি করেছে সেপারেট ডিসিপ্লিন করে 100 জনই একটা
When was the writ petition filed?
But in 2021 end, 2022 early.
Lordship would see the numbers. That will make it clear. The year is mentioned always at the end.
No, this is civil appeal number.
No, the writ petition number
2021.
21.
21, 22.
Anchar Sex writ petition is 18585 of 21.
Yes.
Achinta Kumar Mondal is also same writ petition.
Same writ petition.
Sushoban Shatpati,
1 minute.
Achinta Mondal. Next,
Lucky to one.
Lakshmi Rani Patra, same.
Anchar Sheikh is the same.
Same. All group
All
B
group
arising
B.
out of same writ petition. Then Lordship 9, 10.
Okay, 1 minute. Achinta Kumar Mondol same.
Same.
Yeah, Group D.
Group D.
10th February, 16th
The
February.
heading is given on the respective pages. My learned friend has given the headings.
10th
Please
February,
make it the
single
trouble.
bench order.
We are speaking aloud because if any of the parties think it's
Correct.
not correct, then
Yeah, here,
That's
that is
fine,
your
but
Lordship.
what my lords are querying is fine.
then
Lakshmi Rani Patra, it should be Lakshmi Rani. SLP is from 10th of February only. There is no challenge to the Honorable Division Bench order.
Group D.
But it is a group D matter.
so
Same writ.
we had entertained straight from single judge.
Yes, Lordship, because the other SLPs had the division bench and single judge both order impugned. এইটা অ্যাড করলাম না এটা আমার নিজের নোটটা, এটা আমারটা অন্য অনেক।
This somehow is not matching.
No,
You have
no,
not
no.
got an updated one.
Your is fine, it is my note so that I can explain.
It should
No, this I have not circulated to anybody.
So this has not been circulated. I'll just take a copy to cross-check, my lord.
No,
Because your lordship said, well,
I can
you're
refer
asking
from
aloud,
this.
asking aloud for one reason to
I can
cross-check.
refer from the same one which Mr. Rahim is referring, because this
The
is,
problem is the entire system will rest in housekeeping.
yes. Then Lordship would see 9, 10. Next page. Yes. Two matters. One, the first one arises out of the addition of party, Lordship would see. Therefrom a writ appeal was taken up and this SLP. And the second one is directly at the from a writ petition of order of 8th of February 23, but the writ was filed in 23.
This is by the successful.
This is by the successful candidates.
Yes.
Successful candidates. Again, the OMR issue.
OMR, direct.
Sending to OMR.
When contending that that can't be relied upon, the OMRs cannot be relied upon.
Then Somen Kumar Das is challenging the order of 1st March 23, which is there in serial number 1. In that, actually several mat was considered. Different mats have been taken up serially. So, but the order sheet is one document. This also involves OMR issue. Arupratan Sarkar is OMR issue, which is the next page of that impugned order.
Just 1 minute, my lords. That previous item, Somen Kumar Das, the impugned order before the division bench was the order by the single judge, which is the previous matter. That is that Gopinath Banja, item number 2.
Yes.
That order was challenged by some third parties.
Yes.
The main writ petitioners have now directly come before my lords in the SLP.
I mentioned it. Number 5 is Brajidulal Giri.
Giri, my lord, I appear for the appellants. They are the successful candidates of 2016 selection process, class 9-10, after the order of termination was issued by the School Service Commission.
This involves OMR issue
OMR sheets.
and also violation of Rule 17.
Rule 17
And
and validity
directions
also
of the
was captured.
The other issue open.
Rule 17 issue is in this matter.
In this matter.
We are not, see, this rule 17 and OMR are interdependent.
Yes.
Because the board has relied on the OMR
Yes,
to invoke rule 17.
correct,
And
correct.
cancel.
And on the asking of the division bench gave a virtual direction to the board to do it. 1st March is the division bench order. 2nd March, 1st March itself, yes, 1st March itself is the withdrawal of recommendation, and 2nd March is our termination.
There is one additional submission, my lord. Rule 17 cannot be placed into service at all.
Correct. Not after 5 years, you can't withdraw recommendation of a person who is working for 5 years.
Appointment 6 years ago or 5 years ago.
Yes.
So, my lord, that is one issue which has to be dealt with by the honorable division bench of the High
My lord, I would submit, my lord, your lordship may.
Lordship would see now serial 6 and 7 in that list. Again, OMR issue. These are all arising out of learned single judge's 2nd February order, which was taken up in separate appeal and has been disposed of on 18th September. And then comes 11-12. 11-12, Lordship knows very clearly that OMRs are the directions. So Lordship's called for those data which we have filed, which is Lordship is Kamalesh Kapat, Devashish Karan, Biplab Bibar, Rupak Chandra, and Supratim Manna, all arising out of same, and Ritesh Ghosh at there.
Selection. There is no termination order.
So, my lord, in 11 and 12, there is no termination as yet because your lordship protected us. Only the OMRs were published. So, against publication of OMR, we came here. So, therefore, your lordship protected saying no termination. So, they have no fortunate and no publication. Directions of my lord state. One publication took place, 2 other directions for further publication, my lord state. That's found in these orders. So, I think this whole batch is all the same.
OMR.
Yes.
12 minutes, I like to address on the electronic evidence.
No.
That is all happening in that
Electronic evidence issue.
now.
That's what we posed the question. Why are you?
Yeah, you do. You can do it before the High Court.
Because the question is, at the end of the day, even if this court.
Yours is separate issue.
Mine is also.
Last one.
Ritesh Ghosh.
Ritesh Ghosh, last one of 11-12.
Serial 20.
Last one.
Because in this case, assuming all of this goes back to the division bench, at the foundation is the issue, whether there will be 65B and whether this is admissible or not. It's only after it's been made to be found admissible can any orders be passed by the division bench. So long as my lords are sending it back to the division bench, it is subject to the fact that till such time 65B is not addressed.
So division bench will take.
Yes.
That's right.
That's also division bench will take.
Correct.
That's absolutely fine.
Should be relied upon or not.
Correct.
But at the end of the day, this is school commission, this is NISA, this is
Called upon, we'll decide.
Yes.
that's absolutely fine. But the question is, 3 different elements, no connection. Commission, nothing found.
No, don't say no
NISA,
commission. Don't say like that.
Allow me.
But don't make a wrong submission.
I'm saying.
Don't say like that.
For electronic evidence, there is no connection. At the end
Of
of the
course,
day.
there is. Both the court found out.
You reserve your arguments for.
High Court.
Don't mislead.
Let's, I'm here only to
Yeah, don't mislead the
It's all
court.
getting remand.
Please.
Strange argument.
Yes, so
All the matters are
Dr.
only
Sharia,
OMR.
yes, all the matters are interdependent on
OMR.
OMR sheet and Rule 17.
Yes.
So you
Now, let-
pass on that.
May I make submission?
Yes,
I hope nobody will interfere and stand up again.
that we cannot guarantee.
Yes. Now, my lord, kindly see, my lord, the division bench first appointed, my lord, Justice Bagh for, my lord, investigation, and Justice Bagh gave a report. And my lord was pleased to appoint,
Mr. Bhattacharya, we can interfere. So,
my lord, I can't hear you, lordship.
was it in respect of OMR sheet issue?
No.
No.
Let me explain. What I submit, my lord, that the Justice Bagh Commission's report, which was filed, and lordship was pleased to appoint his amicus curiae to give his report. Kindly go through the report. This is your report, which will show that there are illegal appointments apart from OMR.
No, we are consulting only OMR. We are not apart from OMR.
No, unless your lordship will specify, kindly go through the report
Of course
once.
we'll specify.
And my lord, if these, and also the interim order, if any, must be for a limited period. Otherwise, the matter will never be heard.
No, then take care.
Correct.
If your lordship will not feels that interim order should be there, it must be for a limited period. Otherwise, nothing would happen.
Give an outer limit of 6 months.
No, 3 months, not 6 months, 3 months.
3 months it cannot happen.
It cannot happen.
Months,
my
but
lord.
it cannot happen, well, we shall see.
Your lordships have never controlled the times by the high courts ever, my lord.
My lord, this is the way, my lord, illegal appointees continue. I repeat,
Grateful.
Yes.
this is creating a scar in the society. That illegal appointments could be purchased and they can continue.
How
I'm
is
sorry,
it-
my lords. On what basis does my friend say that?
I have all the bases. You do not allow me to make my submission.
8th February, 9th February, 10th February, you have a fate to comply of
But kindly come.
98 people without hearing them?
Yes, bloody, they were giving hearing before the division bench.
I'm saying it before
Whether takes up
the honorable judge gives the interviews to television channels, my lords.
These are all bogus things. Do
What
not try
bogus
to
things
bias
is a
people.
matter of record, please.
They have been trying to make the judge biased.
Commission who gives a report.
Division bench heard you.
Records. Why did it file an affidavit before the court to say that they have the record which they have tallied?
Well, may I just
You can't take away employment of people for 5 years like this.
Mr.
yes,
Bali,
yes.
we will hear
Even after 30 years, it can be taken off.
Please, nobody.
But kindly takes up, the report filed by the amicus curiae. Kindly takes up.
Yes, let us see this.
While it was pleased to appoint Mr. Godav Agarwal as the amicus to find out the
25
Bar
order
committee's
is
report, kindly
another
takes up the
honorable
report.
court.
Well,
Lordship may not deal with that anymore.
Yes. Why?
12th April, Lordship had appointed him, but thereafter there was an SLP and there is a notice and stay.
yes.
That doesn't matter.
Bench is considering
No
that.
matter.
You could but stay with regard to CBI investigation, nothing more. The School Service Commission is not getting these orders, not managed in their favor. I use this expression, Milord, with all caution.
It's under challenge.
Now, that kindly comes to the Bar Committee's report. Bar Committee's report is never under challenge.
Let us see where is that bug committee report.
My lord, pursuant to your lordship's direction, amicus has passed a short report on the Bar Committee's report.
Then amicus has to address on that.
Division bench has recorded his findings. Still, then the amicus has filed the report. Kindly see the report.
All are appointments after expiry of panel. There is a fact body after expiry of panel. It was completed.
It's a 10-volume one.
Now, these exposes how the Central Commission will not have committed all illegalities.
This is not with regard to.
OMR.
No, not at all.
Not at all. Not at all. This is absolutely wrong.
Lordship, may I just submit what is that rank jumping issue? In our website, there is a merit list. The allegation is below the cutoff.
No, one minute.
That's a different issue.
Milord, Justice Bagh,
We don't stand to defend them at all.
Milord, School Service Commission did not challenge the report of Justice Bagh. What he is saying before the court?
Your lordship,
I'm saying what
But kindly see the report.
my lordship asked Mr. Bhattacharya, does the Bar Committee refer to OMR? I did not hear his response. He must, as an officer of the court, give your lordship the correct response. So let us hear it from him, my lord.
Bagh committee
He is
came
an
up-
officer of the court first. Please ask him, does it relate to OMR?
Milord, don't I have any Milord right to place the Bar Committee's report? Milord, the OMR could come later.
OMR was not there.
OMR would come later.
It's just-
Kindly come to the, kindly goes to the Bug Committee.
Mr. Bhattacharya, does the bug committee have any relevance so far as this set of?
No.
The Bug Committee has relevance.
Not at all.
Bug Committee found how the School Service Commission committed all illegalities to give appointment.
That
That
appointment.
has the nexus. But OMR is a disclosure subsequent to this.
Yes.
So when bug
You
committee.
kindly read the Bug Committee's report. Bug Committee found deliberately School Service Commission appointed illegal persons in violation of law, and the chairman is in custody.
So
Chairman of the School Service Commission, the president of the board, all are in custody for more than a year. Even the minister concerned. Will kindly go through this. All things will not generated out of the Bug Committee's report. OMR comes later.
Accepted by the state.
When it comes later, it can't be
Yes.
part of.
Yes, then how can we rely
Lord,
on?
Set aside.
Lord, it's a part to the extent that the illegalities, Lord, which was founded by the Bug Committee, that led to disclosure of OMR sheets.
Yes.
Read the report.
Yes, summarize what is this bug committee? What did
The-
it inquire?
When the Justice Bug Millot found, upon Millot inquiry and upon hearing all the parties concerned, that there has been massive illegalities committed by the School Service Commission. They found Millot from the record of the School Service Commission, there is a Millot merit jumping.
Illegalities. Can you
Rank change.
Millot
enumerate us? change of rank, appointment after expiry of the panel,
Non-listed candidate.
and appointment of non-listed candidates, everything.
Change
Will
of-
kindly read once again.
Not even appeared, they also.
1 minute.
Persons who did not even appear got appointment.
Jump of that. It should be jump of that.
Change of rank.
And
Kindly come to paragraph 3 of the amicus report, page
who
3.
tell us,
Gist
Number
of it.
1, Milord,
change of rank.
merit jumping. Merit jumping. The persons who did not appear, Milord, got appointment.
That's
Non-listed
important.
candidate got
Person
appointment.
not appearing, getting a Lord appointment is something. very
Non-listed
serious.
candidates got appointment.
How many?
After exposure panel got appointed.
Milord,
Appointment and
Milord, the Bug
Not
Committee
appearing
on
got
random found few numbers, on random.
how many?
Milord, may I plead that? Milord, may I, instead of making Milord an off-the-cuff statement, may I read that?
You tell us how many persons entered that way.
609 as per finding it is.
Milord, as per the finding of the Bug Committee, 609 candidates, and he said much more may also come after proper investigation.
So that investigation CBI.
Yes.
Therefore, kindly go.
CBI is also in.
My lord will be pleased to go through the report of your own officer.
Stand terminated.
No question of Lord Wayman and other things. Kindly go through this.
Please ask him one more question. Those
Yeah,
600 candidates, have they been terminated? If the answer is yes, have they challenged it? And if the
Yeah, it
answer
is-
is no,
that we don't
why is
know.
that being sensationalized here?
Mixing up.
Those 600 people, services stand terminated. They have not challenged it.
Oh,
Challenge.
Lord, Mr.
To defend the matter.
We are.
Let me place the facts.
Malad,
Lord,
therefore, what I am saying.
Lord,
is
I am not the
that
beneficiary of
selective
illegal appointment.
impressions
Therefore,
are
let me place the
conveyed
facts.
By giving half facts. Half truth is even
You
worse.
give the half.
Give the other half.
All
You give the half. Let me place the half, and then you give the half.
all right.
But kindly,
Malad, we must place full facts.
Merit jumping, how many cases are there?
Lord, exact number, Lord, I can't give without reading it.
Exactly.
No, but actually we need that.
That's it. That will be apparent.
28 September. 28
Are
September.
any of these jumping?
28 September.
Kindly come to the order of the High Court Division Bench, 28th of September.
Single bench. Page number 53.
So merit jumping also no one has come.
Yes. Page 53.
All are below here. Here, everybody is the appellant. They got it mixed up. But kindly come to page.
We are losing.
But we cannot get the name. Kindly come to Lord, page 53.
Of the compilation.
There is no allegation of this. Any of
Kindly come to page 53. My lord,
Yes, yes.
No rank.
Nothing.
kindly come to the High Court order.
if I
Page
read the
53.
input orders in all 4 batches, it will become absolutely clear that these are all relating to OMR discrepancy.
Very well. You come to Veda to save your skin. Let us see the Bar Committee's report finding, which was not challenged.
We are not challenging,
we are
we
with the
are
Bar Committee.
accepting it.
Page 53. Well, kindly come to page 53.
1 minute. 3 class of accommodation.
Well, I don't know who is arguing for whom.
For, two
One
panels.
minute, let us hear.
There are 2 panels. One.
Yes.
Well, kindly turn to page 53 of the miscellaneous documents. That's order of the division bench, single bench.
No.
Here we get the number.
Is that judgment under appeal in any of these proceedings?
Yes.
Before another page.
All these judgments are under appeal.
Not in this batch.
No.
The one you are relying upon, are they before us?
Yes.
Justice Master.
Please.
ওটাই তো 0.89
Yes.
ওটাই তো
Well, may I place it?
Mr. Rahim,
সেকেন্ড
which of the matters in which any of this bug committee fault?
in the Mondal itself.
Lord, I am told Ochinto Mondal itself, Lord, is the person who is the Bar Committee.
Malab,
Now, Lord, unless I place the report, Lord, it's very difficult, my Lord.
আরে অচিন্ত
Or you place the judgment of Ochinto Mondal, then we'll see.
Yes, kindly, I am on that.
I think, my lord, I got my suggestion with great respect, my lord. Lord, there is a list.
Ochinto Mondal.
We have devoted enough time. Yeah, my lord, there is a list of the subject to what my lord said. We, my lord, started with Gopinath Bhanja, my lord. Either we continue that or end that, my lord. Or, my lord, my lord, we go as per the Supreme Court list, which is published
Yes,
today.
Ochinto
With a
Mondal.
very short matter. I have read the matter backwards, my lord. There are only 4 orders to be placed according to me, my lord. If my lord, if they argue any one of the matters, my lord, we are ready. It will take half an hour to.
So, my lord, the whole exercise is
Because
to
we were thinking-
not allowing it to get remanded. Now, the whole exercise is to prolong the hearing and not allow it to get remanded.
They are protected, my lord. They are fully protected. They are not, my lord, out of.
Whether we'll extend that protection or not, Mr. Bhattacharya, otherwise.
Only thing is,
fix it right away.
according to me, my lord, there are 1 or 2 matters, your lordship, my lord, we'll all get the hang of it, my lord. If Gopinath Bhanja has started, let them read the order, impugned order and the single judge firstly, my lord. And my lord, we can come to some place, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, we all meandering.
So far as we are concerned, we have fixed the.
No, I agree, my lord. But
So, their effort is now to sort of
OMR, now,
meander.
on OMR, my lord, there's a complete argument on OMR, my lord. If you want to discuss on OMR, I would place, my lord, subject to, my lord, and Mr. Bhattacharya would only about 5-6 pages, not on OMR, on where, my lord, at least 100 candidates were, my lord, checked, who did not, my lord, get anything in the OMR sheets, my lord, verified by the board.
right? Even
How
all
verified?
exercises we are not finally concluding.
Yes.
Only question which is emerging is whether we'll protect their employment till High Court decides.
Yes.
And but only to that extent, my Lord, if your lordship desires to protect, let it be limited for 3 months. Let the High Court decide in the meantime. I have no objection.
We'll protect it for 6 months.
Yes.
Yes, let it be a reasonable time.
Yes.
My Lord will not, my Lord,
Because
kindly, I don't want to
there'll be
bargain.
December break, there'll be another.
I don't want to bargain, but I would say, my Lord, 6 months would be, my Lord, too much of indulgence.
Lord,
Why?
Let it be 3 months and let it be decided by the High Court.
That's the
Let us see, my Lord, to what happens.
Correct.
No, CBS reports, my lord, are there, my lord, they were about 18-19. Lord, they will take about a month because they were in.
They are not,
That it-
you ask them so many times.
I say,
Let
my
them
lord,
do as they.
1 report, 2 reports.
Why should they be pushed, my lord? We have been working
Yes.
for 6 years.
No, my Lord, I don't want 6 years. 6 years, you have spoiled the,
From last 5 years.
my Lord, 5 years, you have spoiled the 5 lakhs of students.
We are regular
Being
in
underqualified, they purchase the job.
My lords,
Purchase the job and they are
with
teachers.
your permission, my lords, I appear in item number 101.2. Can your lordship just hear me for, my lords, why this matter needs to go back? On cardinal principles.
No, my Lord, no question of national
allow
industry
me-
for the illegal appointees.
After Mr. Patwalia, my lords, I just need a minute to show to your lordships why these matters have to be remanded back. There's
Let it be remanded back without any interim order.
violation of
Then
any
go and get an interim order from there.
For people who are working for 5 years.
they will get an interim.
You can't abuse the senior like this.
because of, if your lordship sees,
How
My friends,
How will we push them out?
my
If
friend,
you are not
yes.
satisfied with the termination process.
The reason I say is this, Milord. The reason I say CBI reports, Milord, they can analyze Milord, everything threadbare. Everything, Milord, the CBI, Milord, they check threadbare. The OMR sheets, Milord, I'll just take 3 minutes, Milord. If your lordships, my lord, kindly see the miscellaneous documents of page 80, 81 pages. Filed in Achinta Tunga. I'll just read 3 pages. And why I say, Milord, there should not be any interim protection. There's a thin petition.
Very foundation doesn't apply.
Yes.
Milord, here, Milord.
Therefore, I am in item number 101.2. I am the petitioner. Kindly hear me for a minute. That's all.
That the OMR sheets, Milord, can be identified with the signature of candidates.
No.
This could not be manufactured. OMR sheet, Milord, as disclosed, cannot be manufactured document.
Board, Milord, came up and analyzed 100 candidates are impaneled. And Milord, the finding is, Milord, the actual OMR marks 0. And after that, there is an affidavit of the School Service Commission, which is not resiled from, on record, saying yes, what the CBI says is correct, and we vouch for it. That affidavit has not been resiled from. How can, Milord, the statutory body today firstly admit, say that the CBI report is correct, and give an affidavit and take steps in pursuance of that order, and now come up and say, no, this is all incorrect, I am resigning today.
We'll also have to look
No,
at
no.
the list of those who are being.
No, I am saying, Milord, those same people are 0. They are 0 in the OMR sheet.
At present, they are-
Sorry.
41, 44. My lord,
In group D, your lordship is just qualified and unqualified, no
They
marks
have
is
not-
given.
Yes,
have
yes.
not challenged, Milord, the West Bengal School Service Commission, which has come up and said that you got 0. They have never come up and said. How can they, Milord, keep on enjoying?
The commission says that we don't have the record.
Order of the service commission, no, they don't.
Milord,
Continuous has been that.
Milord, this is just like saying, Milord, in broad daylight, Milord, we are seeing an eclipse. It can't happen this way, Milord.
Oh, please.
Unfortunately.
Yes. And in that eclipse, you see.
My lord will
that
pass
in
the
that
order,
eclipse-
remand it back.
No, 1 second. In that
No
eclipse,
interim order or
what
limited
is
interim order.
behind bars.
I do not know what is happening.
We all know all that.
His senior
OMR is
demanded-
a 0. They are impaneled. The board says so. 0 in impaneled in the OMR. And they are impaneled. This quiet, he can't maintain a quietness over here on this. It is his document. The affidavit is of the School Service Commission. That has not been withdrawn. No, if in the, Milord, today.
What is the basis, please?
Today, Milord, in the Supreme Court, I come up and I say, Milord, this is right.
Why?
Where is the interim protection?
On what basis?
Yes, what is the basis?
Or the OMR.
The basis is, Milord, kindly see the OMR sheet, compare the signature of the candidate.
Which the CBI related about.
That itself is a doubt.
There is an affidavit by the board.
No,
Sorry.
my lord will take,
Leave it at that.
my lord will take up one OMR sheet and see.
Board
Kindly takes
did
up
not
one
leave it
OMR
at
sheet.
that and said that I am Milord only relying upon the
signature.
court, Milord, on the 9th of February and 10th of February asked the School Service Commission, please give your affidavit. They gave your affidavit and said that what the CBI says is correct. And on the basis of that affidavit, they cancelled.
It is their
What is the basis of their evidence?
My lord-
Please tell the court in 24
My lord will take up one OMR sheet. My lord will come to page 43 once, one OMR sheet. Signature of the candidate, their barcode, their ID number. This could not be manufactured.
These are all must be manufactured.
Who manufactured? You said.
Affidavit.
I would say, Milord, we have Milord run the mile here, Milord. We are the finishing.
See, any case, we are.
But no protection for those people, Milord, whose OMR sheets were there.
Fine.
They cannot. Because, Milord, they got it.
Milord, how it has happened in the High Court is another story. My friend can't just.
I could literally
Make fraudsters. The fraud is
Without interim order.
High Court
Without interim order.
Let them go back, let the High Court decide whether they are entitled to get interim order or not.
Yes.
Milord, no interim orders, Milord, by this court, Milord, in the face of the fraud which I have brought before this order.
There is no fraud.
No, there is no fraud, my lord. I'm sorry.
Fraud.
I have been beseeching your lordship to give me a minute. Mr. Bhattacharya and
Milord,
for the same side, for the same petition, just keep on repeating something which is off the record.
let the OMR sheet put their signature. that the truth will come.
Lord, this OMR sheet, it's itself highly suspect.
Yes.
It has been recovered from a
You are
highly
vague. It's a
suspicious
commission
investigator
How
bol-
is it suspect? The
Super
board says it
investigator
is
bol
correct.
diye.
My lord, my vote is
My lord, my
My
lord,
lord, is my
my
friend-
lord
my
will
question
ask
a bit
Mr.
short?
Patwalia's
What
client
is
to
he
put
doing?
his signature and compare it.
Yes.
I'm identifying
Yes.
which there is.
What is he doing?
You put your signature, that will prove that it is genuine.
Sir, last time, during the interim year
Opportunity
now,
of
High
hearing,
Court.
we go before the single bench. This very person, these people stand there and say they are not necessary parties. Our application is dismissed. We go before the division bench. Division bench says you are not a necessary party. Your service.
Division bench heard them in detail.
Division bench.
No,
Can
your
I
lordship.
make a
Oh,
suggestion?
sorry.
Heard them in detail.
Division bench says you are not a necessary party. You can only go in representative capacity. Your services have not been terminated. And the division bench says on the same day, terminate services.
Yes.
Second,
No,
night,
no.
Same day, my service is terminated.
কি
What is
বলবে
all this
constant
happening,
মৃত্যু কথা
Lord?
বলে গেলে
And these 2-3 people stand there. The way how they are shouting, they shout there in the court. Fraud, this, and nobody's. This is not the way judicial proceedings.
Well, I don't know who is shouting now.
Yes, this is not the way judicial proceedings are conducted. Your lordship
Yes.
attended to it.
Now, shall we segregate our order?
Yes, yes.
Yes, please, your lordships.
Division bench remit is concerned, there is no dispute. With
Please, your lordships.
formation of the bench to the Honorable Chief Justice.
Correct.
Yes.
Grateful, my lords.
As far as interim order is concerned, there is dispute. Mr. Bhattacharya said 3 months, we are saying. We might say something longer.
Very
All.
good.
That's fair enough, my lord.
Leave it to the honorable division.
My lords, after hearing the parties,
To extend.
we must be, my lords, we must be included.
I'm